Jojo Lapa, Namaste and good morning everyone. I am Sumitra Maharjan, an English teacher of Mangal Secondary School, Ward number 10. Today, I am speaking on this NEWA FM 106.6 MHz radio education program conducted by Kirtipur Municipality. Now, I am teaching English for class 7. Very warm welcome to grade 7 students. How are you, my dear students? Oh, I'm fine too. Dear student, do you remember our previous lesson? Yes, we read the passage and did our exercise. Today, we will discuss Unit 6. Turn to the page number 48. It's about famous people. Okay. Can you think of an influential person? What fact do you know about the person? What is the person known for? What is the person's family's background? Okay, now, whose picture is this? Can you guess? Yes, it is about Lakshmi Prasad Devkota. He is known as Mahakavi. He was born in Delhi Bazar, Kathmandu in 1966 BS. He was the son till Madhav Devkota and Amar Rajya Lakshmi Devi. He died at the age of 50 due to cancer in 2016 BS. Okay, in this way, when we collect factual information about a person and write it down, it is called a biography. Yes, it is about a biography. When we collect factual information, yes, factual information about a person and write down, that is called biography. Now, what does the book on the right tell us? Okay, look at page number 49. Do you see the picture there? Yes. Who is that person? Yes, he is Dr. Rambaran Yadav. This is also the biography of Dr. Rambaran Yadav. Yes. Okay, student. Before reading this biography, we will know about meaning of these words that appear in passage below. Okay, student, listen and try to pronounce it. Okay, let's learn these words. Look at page number 48. P-U-R-S-U-E, purge. P-U-R-S-U-E, purge. That means to follow. To follow. Opportunity. Opportunity. O-P-P-O-R-T-U-N-I-T-Y. Opportunity. Opportunity means chance. Opportunity means chance. D-E-G-R-E-E, degree. D-E-G-R-E-E, degree. Degree means award for completion of study. Award for completion of study. Now, influential. Influential. That means the spelling I-N-F-L-U E-N-T-I-A-L. Influential. Influential. That means having power. Having power. Elected. E-L-E-C-T-E-D. Elected. Chosen by voting. Chosen by voting. The next word, House of Representative. House of Representative. The lower house of the parliament. The lower house of the parliament. The next word, minister. Yes, minister. Minister means head of a government department. Head of a government department. Now the next word, monarchy. Monarchy. M-O-N-A-R-C-H-Y. Monarchy. Monarchy means direct rule by the king. Direct rule by the king. Now the next word is head of state. Head of state means the person with the highest position in a country. The person with the highest position in a country. That means head of state. Now, let's page number 49. Let's read the biography of Dr. Rambaran Yadav. Do you see the picture, dear? Yes. Who is this picture? He is Dr. Rambaran Yadav. Okay, here are two questions. After reading this passage, then we will give the answer. We will know the answer of these two questions. Okay, listen carefully, students. I will read the passage. Okay, are you ready? Oh, yes. Our topic is Dr. Rambaran Yadav, the first president of Nepal. Dr. Rambaran Yadav was the first president of Nepal. The topic is also the first president of Nepal. Okay, student, I will read the passage. You will listen carefully. Are you ready? Oh, you are ready. Okay. Dr. Rambaran Yadav was born to a simple farming family in Sapai village of Dhanusa district on 4th February 1948. He grew up to become a medical doctor and later to become the first president of Nepal. Dr. Rambaran Yadav completed his school education in Dhanusa district. Later, he came to Kathmandu to pursue his education. He was very interested in studying medicine. He got the opportunity to fulfill his dream when he joined Kolkata Medical College. From there, he received his MBBS degree. He continued his education in Chandra and finished his MD degree. He was interested in policy even in his college days. Later, he became the personal doctor to B.P. Koirala. the first elected Prime Minister of Nepal, Mr. Koirala was an influential leader and politician. This led to Dr. Yadav becoming an active politician. Dr. Yadav got elected to the House of Representatives from Dhanusa district in 1991 election. He held the position of Health Minister from 1991 to 1994. He also became the Health Minister from 1999 to 2001. After the monarchy ended in 2008, the country decided to elect a president as the head of state. Dr. Yadav won the election and on 23rd July 2008, he was sworn in as the first president of Nepal. Yes, this is our passage. Now, what is in passage number 1, paragraph number 1? Yes, Dr. Rambaran Yadav was born to a simple farming family in Sapai village of Dhanusa district on 4th February 1948. Now, from here, who is the first president of Republic of Nepal? Here is one question. Can you give the answer from this? Yes, Dr. Rambaran Yadav was the first president of Republic of Nepal. Then, in second paragraph, he completed his education, school education in Dhanusa district. Later, he came to Kathmandu to pursue his education. After SLC, he came to Kathmandu. That means after complete his school education, then he came to Kathmandu. He was interested in studying medicine. That means he wanted to become a doctor. Then he got the opportunity to fulfill his dream. When he joined Calcutta Medical College, from there he received his MBBS degrees. Then again he continued his education in Chandigarh and finished his MD degree. Yes, that means he has finished his MD degree also. And Dr. Rambaran Yadav, listen student, he was interested in politics also. Yes, in his college life, when he was the student, at that time also he was very interested in policy. And he became, later, then he became the personal doctor of B.P. Koirala. B.P. Koirala, the first elected Prime Minister of Nepal. Mr. Koirala was an influential leader and politician. From that also, he got the opportunity to become an active politician. And he got elected to the House of Representatives from Dhanusa district when in 1991. He held the position of Health Minister from 1991 to 1994. Can you remember? 1991 to 1994, he became the Health Minister. He also became the Health Minister later from again 1990 to 2001. After the monarchy ended in 2008, the country decided to elect a president as the head of state. Dr. Yadav won the election. When did he won the election? On 23rd July 2008. In this way, this is the biography of Dr. Rambaran Yadav. Okay. Now, we will know about Dr. Rambaran Yadav's biography. I have just before told you about what is biography. Can you? When we collect factual information about a person, what we read about Dr. Rambaran Yadav? Yes, factual information. This whole passage is about factual information and it is called a biography. Yes, what we study about Dr. Rambaran Yadav biography. This is not a story. This is a factual information. Factual information means a biography. Okay, student, do you listen about the autobiography? Autobiography? Yes, autobiography is also the factual information of oneself. When I write about my own information, true information, what I write, that is autobiography, my autobiography. And biography means second person wrote about his or her own factual information. That means biography. Do you understand about autobiography and biography? Yes. Now, we will know about autobiography and biography. Now, can you write someone's biography? Can you write? Yes. With information, with factual information, we can write it. Okay, you also, student, try to write a factual information or a biography of someone's. Okay, try to write it. Now, we have the exercise here. Do you see the exercise in page number 50? Okay, turn to the page number 50. Yes. What is there? That is about the option. Yes, option here is Dr. Rambaran Yadav came from a ... family. Do you see? Dr. Rambaran Yadav came from a family. Here are the options: business, service, farming and politician. Do you see? Yes, Dr. Rambaran Yadav came from a family. Which family? Farming family. Yes, farming. Number B. Dr. Yadav was educated in ... at first, then in ... and later in. Which one is? Which one? Here are four options: Dhanusha, Kathmandu, Chandigarh. Kathmandu, Dhanusha, Kolkata. Third one, Kathmandu, Kolkata, Chandigarh. Dhanusha, Kathmandu, Kolkata. Okay, which one? Yes, number 1. Dhanusa, Kathmandu. Dr. Rambaran Yadav was educated in Dhanusa at first, then in Kathmandu, and later in Chandigarh. Okay. There are the option, we have to choose the correct one. Okay, my dear student, look at number C. What is there? Yes, it is about also Dr. Rambaran Yadav. What happened in these days in the life of Dr. Rambaran Yadav? Write a sentence for each date given. Okay, look at, here are two columns. In one side, there is given the date. Now for that date, what did he do in his life? There are different dates in one column, and in the other, we have to write the sentence. For example, 4th February 1948. Okay, 4th February 1948. What happened to him in his life? Can you guess? Yes, in first paragraph, what is written? He was born. He mean here, Dr. Rambaran Yadav was born on 4th February 1948. Yes. Okay, if you need, copy down. If you don't need, do not copy it. Okay. Can you remember? Yes, very easy one. This one is, he was born on 4th February 1948. Now the second one, 1991. 1991, what did he do? What did he do? Can you guess? Right. He got elected to the House of Representatives. He got elected to the House of Representatives in 1991. Yes. Now the next, 1991 to 1948. What did he do? What did he do? He held the position of Health Minister from 1991 to 1994. Can you remember? Once again, he held the position of Health Minister from 1991 to 1994. Now the second one, second last one, 1999 to 2001. What did he do? He became the Health Minister later from 1999 to 2001. He became the Health Minister later from 1999 to 2001. Now the last one, 2008. 2008, he won the election. Yes, he won the election. Now, in this way, we have completed about the date of this Dr. Rambaran Yadav's life. Now here, number D. Number D, here are three questions. Here are three questions. Which position did Dr. Rambaran Yadav hold before he became the president? Before he became the president, what position did he Yes, he was a medical doctor. He was a medical doctor. Before he became the president, he was a medical doctor. Now, number B. Different question. Look up a dictionary. Have you got a dictionary? Yes, everybody, you have a dictionary. And find out the full form of MBBS and MD, which is higher. Which is higher. Okay. MBBS mean, the full form of MBBS mean Bachelor of Medicine, Bachelor in Surgery. And MD mean Doctor of Medicine. Doctor of Medicine. Now the last question, which is higher? Can you guess which is higher? Yes, MD is higher. MD is higher. Okay, all my dear student, you have to do this whole exercise. Okay, you have to do this whole exercise. Now, I want to leave from here. My technician friend signal me to finish my time. Okay, goodbye. Stay home, be healthy, save yourself and society.